Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's underscore Elia. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Also, you have it, my brother here.
Yo, hello guys, hello family, hello our beautiful subscriber.
Yes.
Hello, it's underscore Elias family.
Yes.
My name is Yamasubo. Guys, you are just coming live and clear from this beautiful sceneries of I am
Marwa.
Marwa Villa Medellin.
Yes, of
And
course.
guys, as you can look off, we are not in the today in work
We are
clothes.
shine.
We are just
Yes.
shining like guys.
Yes, brother.
So actually today we managed to finish
Yes.
the work so early so that we can shoot
Yes.
a good content for you guys.
Of course. You know.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed to it's underscore Elia channel, kindly subscribe. Guys, what do you think about this amazing video?
Yes, brother.
Guys, Elia,
Yes.
we want to tell our people how Ayamara just created a lot of employment.
Because
Many just created many
surrounding here.
employments.
Yes.
Yeah, as you can look guys, this is the sand.
People are
This
working.
all it was just being
Wow.
harvested
Yes.
from the river. And Elia actually, well, today Elia, leo kufanya wapi kazi? Where were you working
My
today?
work today was there, outside there, of course. My work was at the place there. Generator was to put after finishing the generator is installed there, so that the end of the day can produce electricity and help to supply water.
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
So today you didn't work here.
Here.
Yeah.
But yesterday was work here.
Yeah.
Yes, by the way.
Yeah, guys.
Mambo yaliingiliana.
Actually, guys, his phone is not good, so I shall be turning it. I cannot flip the camera because let me show you. As you can look, yes, see, the camera is just dark. So we need to use the front camera because it's so good.
Yes.
So here is the work of today, as you can look off.
People are working here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yo,
So
guys, actually, this is the claybath.
Yes,
Actually, this place is where you come and do the scrubbing of your body with the clays, so that the body can be good.
Smooth.
Yeah, and smooth. Just look, guys. Area,
Yes, brother.
can you explain how to make these gabions?
This gabion,
Yeah.
there's two mason here.
Yeah.
The way you see today, they are putting two gabions, of course.
There were two masons.
Yes, there
Yeah.
are two mason here. You can see the foundation of the gabion there.
Yeah.
You see they start from the foundation to the gabion, and
Yeah.
then they go to the next, and you can see. Yes.
Let's go and show our people these amazing guys. As you can see, this is the river.
Yes,
It's just coming from the far end,
yes.
and this is the clay bath. Actually, guys, it has not been finished. Even tomorrow, we shall be continue working here and here.
By the way, I have a shot.
Yeah.
How the people was working here.
They were working here.
Yes, because at the morning I was here.
Yeah.
By the way, my work was being here. By
Yeah.
the way, but they told me don't be here. Go there, upside there, to moderate the place there. Generator can put next time. So it's so nice, of course.
Guys, just look the work of the gabion. Just look. This is the amazing work.
Yes.
So Elia,
Yes, brother.
can you tell your people what challenges have you been encountering during your YouTube journey? You can come this way because the sun is from the other side. Yeah. What challenge have you been encountering since you start your YouTube channel?
My challenge is so many challenge because at the time is the first challenge. The time
For
because I compare in so many things every day. I can say I compare 4 things in one day. Imagine. Up to the morning, I wake up one day in the morning to go to search for food.
Yeah.
Of course, up to then I come back at home, I give them. So
you're trying to say that what do you actually feed at the morning?
At the morning,
Yeah. How do
the
you keep
morning.
there at home?
Yes, I keep my pigs
Oh,
so that
pigs. You have a
yes,
project
I
of
have the
pigs.
project of the pigs.
Yeah,
You
that's
know that?
good. So
Yes.
you're saying that the time is the challenge.
Yes, the time is a challenge,
Yeah,
of course. By the way, I use the bicycle.
bicycle.
Imagine,
Yeah.
I am an engine. I am an engine. Imagine.
You ride, you ride,
I
you
like
ride.
my bicycle. I like that. So
Yeah.
I take more time. Of course, I have the you say hotel to
Oh, you
to
have three places where you are going to take
to
the
take the
food.
foods.
Yeah.
So I have three hotels. So
So
that
you need to rush.
yes,
This one, this
yes,
one, this one.
yes. By the way,
Yeah.
I lash to one of them.
Yeah.
Then I go home.
Yeah.
Then I take another wanahitaji diaba
Another tin.
another tin. So I go to another hotel. So
Yeah.
I take it another. Then I come home. Then
Okay.
I go and I come home so that I give them that
Yeah.
food one piece so that I ensure that they eat and drink so that I take the shower though, you know that.
Yeah.
Then I come to the
To
job.
the job.
Yes, I enter
So
here at 3
at
a.m.
at 9
Yes,
9 a.m. guys.
9 a.m. so that I start my job up to the 10
Maybe 4
10.
p.m.
Yes, 4 p.m.
to
Yes,
5. Yeah.
yes,
You know,
5 p.m.
guys.
Yes,
Actually, the feeding of pigs always eat a lot of
food.
yeah. You know, earlier I
Yes,
was advising you should be keeping money
yes.
so that you can save and
Keep
go and
the
buy the
hands.
not hens, actually not hens, but even hens are good.
Yes.
But this feed for pigs. You give them twice a day, in the morning and
Evening.
evening.
Yes.
Twice.
So
And even when you know pigs have a lot of you need to be there. You see, and you are just a mason,
yes,
so you don't have time for feeding.
for feeding. Yes.
So my best advice is that you may find good project like for chicken
Yes.
or for goats. When you do here around 6 days a week, you save for 5 days, you use for 2 days. 5 days you go, you buy a goat for 5,000 Kenyan man. That is around 45 US dollars.
Yes.
You buy a goat. You make sure every week you buy a goat, a goat, a goat, a goat. Before this work of Emaro goes to finish, maybe you shall be having like 6 goats, and you shall not believe. All you start a project of chicken.
With
You know,
chicken, by the
yeah,
way, to keep of the kitchen, I
yeah,
compare which is simple. By the
yeah,
way, my people, you can advise me
yeah,
which one
yeah.
to keep the
Chicken,
chicken or
all
the
the goats.
goats, of course. You
Just
know that.
drop at the comment section that we can know
Yes,
which project is
it's
good for
good for
him to starting.
yes because I
And
am the mason.
and
So that
earlier,
yes,
that's the biggest challenge. But
yes,
for me,
yes,
here in YouTube, I usually see that sometimes you're using my phone,
yes,
yours
to
is not good.
yes,
Actually, guys, this phone that is just using, it doesn't have the sound.
of course,
Yeah, you must, when even this video, when it goes
to upload
to not upload,
to
to
listen.
edit,
Yes,
he
you
must
must
connect
listen.
with the radio
Bluetooth.
or the
Yes,
Bluetooth
yes,
so that he can hear the sound. Actually, this phone, it doesn't produce any sound. But hope when you shall be going to buy a new phone, actually, I think when you have money and you see the money is not there, you can come
yes,
and we shall contribute to you so
okay,
that you can buy another phone.
yes,
That's the great. When you have a good phone, guys, even producing your people's content is good and
good,
good.
good. Yes, of course.
Yeah, like for him, when he will get good phone, actually he's going to produce you the best content.
Yes,
Guys, even the reason that made him not to shoot for you where he's just working early in the morning, because this phone cannot shoot in the morning. You see,
yes.
it cannot shoot in the
We
morning.
compare the
The environment or the
environment. Yes,
nature.
yes,
So, guys, for me, I'm ready to support him so that he can get the phone. Guys, if you are watching this from its
that's
underscore
core
area,
area. Yes,
kindly go subscribe to my YouTube channel as I am Asubo, and also
it's
subscribe to its
it's
underscore
underscore
area,
area.
guys.
let him spell for them. By the way, people they have the challenge of
for
getting
your name.
yes, of course. It's underscore E L
I
I
A
A H, of
H.
course.
Not area for A,
A
area for
for
H, guys.
H. Yes.
Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next videos of it's underscore
Underscore
Elia, guys.